Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to do all of that. Okay, first of all, please don't mind this. If you watch my vlog, you know, okay, and you know about the makeup too. So please, let's not mind all of that. This is gonna be a short video because there's not really much to talk about. It's just unlike an Airbnb where I have to, like, you know, show you guys whatever. This is very short, so yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so this place is called the Feather Hill Boutique Hotel and Spa. It is in Arch, which is in Northwest, next to Klerksdorp. It's about, I don't know how far from Joburg, but it's not far. I will include the details somewhere here. The room I got is the Platinum Suite. It's the most expensive one, which is like, I think 2.150 a night for one person, if I'm not mistaken. But there's a September special running right now, which is $950 for all the rooms, from the double standard room or the double what and a double suites, all the way to like the most expensive ones. So yeah, so every room is $950, and they also have specials for their spa, which I think they have a few, but the two I remember are both $450. One is a back, neck and shoulder or a facial for $450, including a light lunch for $450, and then there's a 90 minutes back exfoliation and back there's a 90 minutes full exfoliation massage and a 90 minutes back massage. No, not back, what am I saying? Full body exfoliation including a massage, 90 minutes long, and it's also $450. I don't remember the other specials they have, but those are the ones I can remember. And what else do I need to tell you guys? I will link the website below, and then I will also include the room tour and a bit of the outside, whatever, of the boutique hotel after I'm done here, after talking with you guys. So yeah, it's so I basically paid $950, and I also got the massage, the full body one, for 90 minutes, $450, and that's what I'll be doing. This is what the info about the room looks like. They also have this you are able to go to Planet Fitness for a day. They give you like a day pass to Planet Fitness if you come and book here. Just don't do that, but that's okay. They have a restaurant here, it's cute, but they have like limited food. It's not like a lot of variety and everything, but it's really nice, guys. Like, I won't lie, I mean, it had everything I wanted. The bathroom on its own is insane. the bathtub. I wanted a place that has a bathtub just so I can take this picture, and it worked out for me. And yeah, it's amazing. My room has a balcony, even though I don't really enjoy that. I mean, I didn't go out to the balcony to chill at the balcony for that long. I only went there in the morning, but yeah, it's really nice. You guys can click on the link below and come here if you really want to. It's kind of secluded, but not like crazy like in the bundus, you know, like 15 minutes. So that's how far it is from town. So it's not far, but it looks like it's secluded because all you can see around is just, you know, bushes. But yeah, I really like it, and I hope you guys enjoy the tour that I'm gonna give you guys. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends about it.
Nigga.